And our discussion question for week 3. Once again, we have 2 discussion questions for the week, and you all have shown some amazing energy towards these discussion questions, and I think they've been rather meaningful as well. I just really appreciate how everybody puts in their own perspective, and they take perspective from other places where they've seen things in different discussions, or even had discussions with people not in the class but from the outside, bringing in that perspective as well, because that's how we grow as a community, and that's what we want to do. So that's the gist of our discussion questions. And this week it's going to be another fun one. Uh, I guess as fun as I can get when we're talking about evaluations. Uh, Last time we were in character quite a bit, which has been absolutely enjoyable seeing everybody's responses. But here we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a table right in this area. We're going to create a table. You're going to write down what works well and why, and give some examples. Then the opposite column, you're going to give what doesn't work well, and you're going to respond to that one question. What does that data allow you to say or know about the training or educational materials? That is key to any evaluation. What is it going to? How's it going to reflect back? Because that's key to how you're going to use it. Because remember, we're talking about level 1 reaction. So how is that data going to reflect back to the training and give you something usable? Because we want to use. That's what we want to do. And for the second one, the level 1 reaction, you're going to apply it. So you're going to look at the case studies. I forget the companies at the moment, sorry. Uh, but you're going to look at the 3 case studies in the chapters, and you're going to evaluate those cases, specifically talking about the level 1 reaction data, and you're going to look at the different tools. A lot of the tools in our book are paper based. Everybody knows I kind of like the mobile first, especially if it comes to any management, professional development type of training, because that's where everybody's at. It's very easy to use. Um, but for this one, paper, or however it is, just state what it is, reflect on what the strengths and the weaknesses of that are, and do it from the perspective of usability. How are they going to be able to use what they get? Because you can get all kinds of data, but it's useless because there's nothing you can use it for. So if just look at all the case studies from that perspective, take out the best of what those evaluations have to offer, put those in your toolbox for future use, and what you don't like about them, simply discard. So let's have a great week.